Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this today's video, we are discussing about how to build a credit code detection system using machine learning. We will walk through data loading, data processing, model training, and visualization with the graphs. By the end of the video, you will get like how to build a credit code system using like a fraud detection using machine learning. If you want to skill up your ML skills, please hit a like and subscribe to this channel. And let's get started, okay? And our first step is to go into Kaggle. Into the Kaggle is like a datasets providing for the ML engineering. So we will get into this, and we have to download the file, okay? And I am like let me download to the zip file. Just a second. And now let me do, yeah, it's downloading. So after downloading, I have to open it, and let me go into this. Yes, this is my file, right? Control C, and let me do a uh, new folder here. It's our credit code fraud, is it fraud detection, and let me paste the file, okay? So if you want to see, let me open this file first, so you have a clear idea, right, what I'm going to discuss. And see, our first column is time. So we don't have any like like a relation with the time, so let me leave this column, and remaining all these columns up to V28. And then we have the amount, and this you can see the amount will be in the numerical format, and we have to like process the data to like into this like decimal numbers. And we have the classes 0, uh, and we have any others. So let me check in my processing, like data processing, okay? And let me now, I have to go into CMD, okay, command directory, and then code space dot, okay. Uh, for today, let me do in Visual Studio Code. I don't want to do it in Jupyter Notebook. So let me have a like create a Jupyter Note file, like with IPYNB extension. What credit dot IPYNB. Okay. So I created a Jupyter Notebook, and then I have to select the kernel first, Anukunda, right? We are running through Anukunda. So Control S, and let me create a file. Okay, what the hell happening? Okay, first we have to import pandas as PD. Okay, okay, yes. And what was the first thing? Data loading, right? Data loading. Okay, okay. Step importing the pandas. We have to import our file. This is the credit code.csv. We have to read it. Okay. Df equals to PD dot read underscore CSV of. If I'm giving double quotations, it will automatically get C credit code.csv. because it is in same file directory, right? So okay. So after that, I want to print of df.head. Okay. See, after printing the head, I am able to see top 5 rows, first 5 rows, right? So yes, I can able to see, and then what I have to write print slash n, so it will give me one line spacing. After that, print of df of and let me see my class first. Yes, see, I'm automatically getting the class dot value underscore counts. So let me process my one. See, I have how many classes? Value counts of 0, name equals to 1, and I think all are 0. Let me show first. Okay, and then I need to get print of df dot info, and let me again run my one. So finally, I'm getting the info, right? Yeah. So up to here, you will let know how to we are getting these things, right? So and now I want to see only columns, df dot columns, and I'm not running in my same cell. I'm taking another cell. Print of df dot columns. After shift run, see, I'm getting with index. The first one is the time, and remaining all these columns, and finally I'm getting the amount and the class. See, okay, right? And now what I have to do? I want to do now the data processing. Data processing, right? And in processing, what I have to do? First, I have to import the libraries from sklearn dot preprocessing. Okay, import uh, import what I want to standard scalar. Okay, so let me import of the standard scalar I can easily able to get. Okay, so and now what I have to do? Df of the first thing what I said in the Excel. I want the amount into the standard scalar is equals to standard scalar dot fit underscore transform of df of amount. Yes, okay. And then I want to remove df equals to df dot crop of. I want to remove my time column. So let me remove this time comma axis equals to 1 because it's a column, right? And then I want to split my data into x and y. Okay, split the data into to train train test split. Okay. I think let you understand. Okay. And now what I have to do, I have to split the whole data into training and test. Okay. So for that I have to import sklearn. It's not skimage. Sklearn dot. I have to do. So let me model selection. Okay. Import train what train underscore. If I'm click on underscore, then it will I can get auto recommendation. Train test split. Okay, right. So now what I have to do, x is equals to, let me divide this into x and y. Okay, and now what I of x equals to, see, this is my target value and these are my future values, futures. Okay, so let me divide this into x and this is y. So x equals to df dot drop of class comma x is equals to, what x is equals to, we have to write 1, right? Previously we already write 1. So and then y equals to what? So y equals to only class, right? So df of class, so capital class. Okay. After this I can separate into x and y, x and y. So now I have to do it according to train test split. So let me do it. X train comma x test comma y train comma y test equals to, and now I have to give the train test split. Okay, train underscore test underscore split, and now I have to give uh for what the solution for this. I have to give here x and y. So these are the features, and then it is the target value x comma y. And now I have to give the test size. I'm giving 20% for the 20% for the test and 80% for the train. So that's why I'm giving 0.2. And then I have to give the random state. If I'm giving the random state, it can changes the output every time something value. So if I'm giving the random state, the state will be of same, like of particular 42. By default, it's we can give 42. And now uh stratify. Stratify equals to y. Because why I'm giving y, see in classes there are two types, one is 0 and the other is the 1. Like the 1 will be of fraud and 0 will be of like not fraud, so we can divide it into two types. So the what stratify will do, the 1 and 0 will divide it into equal proportions and it will give equally to like according to our 80 and 20%. So 80% will give to the train and 20% will give to the test, right? So this is what the stratify will do. And then after dividing this, we have to do, we have to make the random, in which algorithm we are using here. We are using the random tree classifier. And how to import this that module? Let me say from sklearn sklearn dot ensemble import train no, 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 not train test split. What do we have to do? Random forest classifier. Yes, right. Then right. And now model equals to random forest classifier. Okay, and then model dot fit of x and like we have the xtrain and xtrain and y train, right? Y train. And sorry to say this, in random forest we have to give. See how many types of forest we are giving uh n underscore. Yes. How many estimators we have to give? Like it will it will build the train model with the perfect. So let me give 100. So 100 times it will bind and it will give the perfect prediction model. Okay. And then we have to give the random state. Random state equals to 42. Okay. So after that model dot fit, what we have to do? Model dot predict of predict of x underscore test. And let me give here y underscore the y prediction will give the of x test. And then what I have to do? So just this, and let me divide it into two cells from here to here and there to from here to, okay. Control X, and let me run. What happen we will see. If any errors got, yeah, I'm definitely getting error. And let me put this remaining value into here. Control V, and let me check what will happen here. The amount, the standard scalar dot fit underscore transform df of amount, and let me reconsider this, making changes, right. And let me see what the error, the amount, think we will see in the numeric key is not compatible with the errors. Convert your data to numeric values explicitly instead. df of amount equals to df of amount, right. So let me give in another quotations. Let me try. See. Yes, now it's done. See, I'm not getting any error. After giving in two brackets, I'm getting. And now let me, this is done, right. So let me do this. I think I have to get the and now after Y prediction, I have to get the classification report. So let me import here or here. Uh, Let me import here, okay, from classification report, right? So I have to get the sklearn dot matrix import classification class matrix, right? Import classification report. Yes, now I'm getting. And second one is confusion matrix, right? Yes, confusion matrix. And let me do the classification report, right. So print of classification uh, report of y underscore test comma y underscore prediction. So let me do this while I'm getting my classification report. We will see it was running so much time. In that case, I will create the confusion matrix equals to confusion matrix of same y underscore test comma y underscore prediction, right. After confusion matrix, and now I have to visualize, right. At what the confusion matrix I have to uh, I need to visualize through heat map. Okay, so let me import two libraries here. Voltage, one is matplotlib, another is seaborn. Okay, and let me give import matplotlib dot pyplot because it's a Python plot, right? Import plt. No. Pyplot as plt. Okay, and then import seaborn as SNS. Right. So let me wait for this to continue. Okay, and then how much time it will be taken for this? Let me see. SNS, right? Okay, and now forget about the cells. Whenever it will be run, it will run. No little issue. And now SNS dot we will create the heat map. Yes, heat map of what is this? Confusion matrix, right? Confusion matrix, comma, anode equals to true, comma, and then fmd equals to d, and then cmap equals to blues. Okay, cmap, right? For the classification report only, it's taking 4 minutes exactly. I think it will take some more time. Cmap, and then comma, and then I'm getting some more like a this arguments. What it is arguments? Let me check. Ah, yes, x tick labels, y tick labels, boolean of okay, x tick labels, comma, y tick labels, and then what I have to give in x tick labels. One is not fraud, and one is fraud, right? Because it's getting what fraud. Okay, no, I have to give like this now. But why fraud and fraud? Not fraud of but same thing. Control C, Control V. But see, I'm getting stick labels. Control C, confusion of heat map, right? And let me see here. You are getting the classification report, right? See, I'm getting the precision, recall, F1 score, and the support. I think you can able to see right the accuracy, the macro average, and weighted average, all the things, right? So this is how the classification report will works. And then let me see in uh, heat map. After this heat map, we have to give plot dot x labels, not x labels. Same I think. X label plt dot y label and then plt dot title. Same whatever we think we have to give. The confusion matrix, right? Confusion. Okay, now it's the predicted, I think. Predicted, and then y label will be actual, and then plt dot show. Let me do this. Okay, I'm getting the confusion matrix. Did you see? This is how the confusion matrix will work. So it is giving up to 5000 here, and the fraud, it's the not fraud. It's the not fraud and fraud. And fraud to fraud, the 81 is giving. And fraud to not fraud, it was giving 5. And not fraud to not fraud. So, but same, like these are all not fraud cases. 56859. Okay, let me, and what we have to do? I think up to here you can got it all the things right. Like how we given the random forest classifier to this, how we predicted the model here, and we can train the test 10 split. So finally we get the positive and positive values and positive and negative values. The both things, right? Positive to positive, positive to negative, negative to positive and negative to negative. So we are getting all the things right. I think up to here, if you are average, then you can easily try build a like random forest classifier algorithm. So this is up to how I'm teaching this. Okay. So I think all the clear, right? Like wherever I'm getting the columns, wherever I'm managing the amount into the scalar amounts. So how I remove the time is we can, it is not supported to any prediction. So that's why we remove this. And this is how the confusion matrix, the classification report will works. So that's it for today's video, and we will meet in the next video. Then goodbye, see you, and please subscribe my channel.